How to wash synthetic fabric clothes. When synthetic or man-made fibers appeared in the marketplace, they changed the face of fashion and, in turn, laundry care. Gone were the days of cotton and linen that could be cleaned with hot water and strong soaps and required ironing. Acetate and the triacetate fabrics that followed are one of the earliest man-made fibers in the United States. While often used as a substitute for silk in less expensive garments, care must be used when washing and treating acetate for stains. Acrylic fibers are one of the few synthetic fibers that have an uneven surface when manufacturing is complete. The fibers can be cut into short lengths and spun into threads that resemble natural fibers. They produce a fabric that drapes well and has a silky feel. The introduction of nylon fibers in the late 1930s changed both the textile and manufacturing world. Not only would women have sheer stockings, but fishermen could have strong lines, promising ballerinas could have tutus, and cars could have durable mats for the floor. But, nylon fibers are heat-sensitive, and high temperatures in the dryer or when ironing can cause them to melt, shrink, or deform. Olefin is a trademark name for fabrics made with synthetic polypropylene and polyethylene fibers. It was first produced in 1958 as olefin monofilament and then in 1961 as multifilament polypropylene for use in fabrics. You can thank British scientists, John Winfield and James Dixon, for the development of the first polyester fiber, terylene, in 1941. Their work was inspired by the discovery of DuPont scientist, W. H. Carruthers, the inventor of nylon. Following the end of World War II, DuPont bought the rights to manufacture polyester, and the rest is history. Today, more than 50% of the world's clothing is made from polyester, and you'll find polyester fibers in nearly every category of fabric, from sheer tulle to heavy upholstery and carpets. Rayon is a fabric made from cellulose fibers derived from wood pulp. While the fibers are nature-based, the fabric is manufactured by treating the wood fibers with chemicals, and it is considered a man-made fiber. Rayon is one of the most popular fabrics used today for clothing and home accessories due to its low-cost base materials. You may see it labeled as rayon, viscose, lyocell, or modal. Vinyl and rubber products were once relegated to just rain protection gear in our closets. But designers have embraced vinyl, neoprene, and other synthetic fabrics for all types of fashion. They are often chosen as an alternative to leather or to make a high fashion statement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.